baby gate was opened. Don't forget to close it.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you some very simple automations that I made using SmartThings to ensure that the baby gate is always closed after someone goes through it. When we first moved to this house, we had a real scare when our 1-year-old almost fell down the steps because someone had left the baby gate open. From that moment I decided that something more had to be done to ensure that the gate always stayed closed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an automation that plays an audio notification when the gate is open, reminding the person opening it to close it, and then an audio notification letting them know that the gate has been closed securely. Next, I'll show how to send push notifications and play an audio alert if the baby gate has been left open, with repeated reminders to ensure that the baby gate is closed. Finally, I'll show you how you can ask Google or Amazon assistants if the baby gate is open if you're not in sight of the gate. For this project, you're going to need a smart window and door sensor, a SmartThings Hub, and an Amazon Echo device. The door sensor I used is a Samsung SmartThings multi-purpose sensor, which is a bit overkill for this project because you really don't need the vibration and temperature sensing capabilities. Really all you need is a SmartThings compatible sensor, and I'd specifically recommend the slid smart window and door sensors, which are about $32 on Amazon for 2 of them. The description on Amazon mentions that they require a slid hub, but they don't. You can connect them right to SmartThings. Secondly, you're gonna need to have a SmartThings hub. There's no getting around it. Some of the best advice I can give for new smart homers is that you need to get a Z-Wave or Zigbee hub. If you're looking to buy a Samsung SmartThings hub, you might find that you can't find any or they're extremely expensive. That's because they've been rebranded and are now sold through a company called AOTech, which makes other smart home devices. The first thing you're going to do is link your sensor with SmartThings if you haven't done that already. After that, you'll need to attach the sensor to the baby gate. I did this on the stairs side of the gate since the toddler is less likely to see it from that side, and I placed it at the bottom of the gate. The style of baby gate I have has a special latching mechanism that requires the gate to be lifted after it is closed and dropped into place to secure it. I placed the sensor in such a way that if the gate is not dropped into place after it swings closed, the sensor will still show the gate is open. This way, if one of my kids closes it but doesn't fully latch it, SmartThings will know. Test the sensor out in the SmartThings app to make sure it's registering the opening and closing properly. Next, it's time to automate. You're going to write 3 routines in the Amazon Alexa app. The first routine will simply look at the contact sensor and play an audio notification when the door is opened. This notification can also remind the person opening the gate that they should close it. This part was super awesome for me because now my kids are reminded every time they went through the gate. The second routine looks at the contact sensor status and plays an audio notification when the gate is closed. This way, if you hear the gate being opened from another room, you can also listen to see if the person remembers to close the gate behind them. The third routine will take a bit more prep work since it requires some advanced automation. For this automation, as in my last video, you're going to need to install webCore for SmartThings and also link SmartThings with the Amazon Assistant via the simulated switch method. Trust me, both of these are a lot easier than they sound. I'll leave links in the description like I did in my previous video for how to get these set up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video dedicated to how to link Alexa and SmartThings using the simulated switch method. Once both of these things are done, you are ready to write a new script in webCore. The basic flow of the program goes like this. If the gate stays open for 1 minute, then you will be alerted via an Alexa audio notification as well as a push notification in the SmartThings app. After 5 minutes, both of these alerts occur again. So the script is pretty basic. If the SmartThings Hub senses that the contact sensor is open, it will wait 60 seconds and then check again to see if it's still open. If it is, it will toggle a virtual switch that will trigger an Amazon routine, which sends an audio notification through an Echo Dot telling you that the gate has been left open. It also sends a push notification to you in the SmartThings app. Next, SmartThings will then wait another 240 seconds so that the total time since the gate was open is 300 seconds or 5 minutes, and then toggle the virtual switch, triggering the Amazon routine again and again sending a push notification. That's all for automation. Now let's ask the assistants. Hey Google, is the baby gate open?
The baby gate sensor is open.
Alexa, is the baby gate sensor open?
Baby gate sensor is open.
Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm going to wrap this thing up. What do you guys think about this automation? Is there any way I can improve it, still keeping it pretty simple? Let me know in the comments if you would, and if you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing so more people can see these ideas. I'm excited about some of the other stuff I got going on. I'm working with Home Assistant a little bit. So yeah, if you want to see that, stick around. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.